Good day everyone, I welcome you to Kharis tutorials today. My name is Simeon. Today I'll be taking you on a 6 pieces gown with gathered cape. The half length is going to be a gathered cape and the down part of it is going to be 6 pieces. The material we're going to use is called foam material and I'll be using 2.5 yards for this style. Welcome back. The measurements we're going to work with today are the length, the shoulder, the bust, the band, waist and the hip. We have the under bust measurements, which is 12, the half length, which is 15, and the full length 57. We have the shoulder measurement to be 13. We have the round shoulder for the cape to be 36. We have the bust to be 32, the band 26, the waist 28, and the hip is 34. The down part is a 6 pieces, so we're going to cut that first. Like I told you in the previous class, you can always decide the wideness of your paddle. So for me now, I'll be folding 9 inches. The middle piece, I'll be maintaining 7 inches for the dart, and to get that folded into 2, that means I need 3.5, so I'll be bringing out 4 inches. Now the half length is 15 and the full length is 57. So for the down part, which is the 6 pieces, I need 42 inches for the length. So adding to the 42 inches, I'll add just 2 inches to it. That will be 44. So the length is 44, then I'll be folding 9. So folding my 9 inches now. I have my 9 inches folded. So the knee length, the full length, like I said, is 42. Plus the 2 inches, I have 44. So to the knee length now, I have 21. To get my 7 inches, I'll measure out 4 inches, which will give me 8, considering the sewing allowance. So from the knee length now, I'll just take it down. I'll slanting it to the point where I have my 9 inches folded. So I have one piece. Let's cut it out. Then we're going to use this to cut out the remaining 5. I have one piece ready. I'll just use this to cut out the remaining 5 pieces. We have all the 6 ready now. The next thing for us to do is to cut out the half length. In doing that, the half length is 15 inches. Since it's going to be like an off-shoulder dress, then minus 5, we have 10. So the length we are cutting out now is 10. 32 is the bust. We're using the bust to fold 32. Then I'm going to add 6 inches because it's more or less like a lycra material. So 32 plus 6 divided by 4 is 9.5. So I'll fold with 9.5. Then we have the length to be 10. I'll add just 1 inch to the length. That will make it 11. So now I have 9.5 and I have the length 11. The next thing now, using the shoulder measurement, which is 13, divided by 2, I have 6. Remember I said it's minus 5. So I have my 8.5 where I have the bust, and the bust is 9.5 plus 6 divided by 4. The under bust measurement is 12. The band measurement is 26 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 4. I have 8. Now from the shoulder, bringing out the armhole to the bust, then from the bust to the band. Now we can cut. We have the front ready. I'm just going to use this to cut out the back. It's a prep material, so I don't really need zip allowance. So I'm going to cut exactly what I have here. This is for the front and for the back. Now the round shoulder is 36 and I want the length to be 5 inches. I'm going to just add little gathers to the cape. It's 36. Because of the gathers now, I'll just increase it. You can always decide that. So I'll just add 10 inches to it. That is 46. And the length is 5 inches. So I will make it 6 inches. The sewing allowance. So I'm just going to cut out 6 inches. This is for the round shoulder. For the round shoulder, I added allowance because I'm going to gather it a little. Good. And we are done with our cutting. Thanks for watching Kharis tutorials today, and you can rock that event with your gown. Till I meet you next class again, I remain Simeon Grace. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, HoAfricaTv, and you can follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class, stay cool.